What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Nothing else. I think these are just a bunch of OTFs, I think. Here. Um, okay, yeah. I don't remember all the names. I think these are coming from, what's the company? Crap. Takcom? Tack knives? Ain't no name on them. Takcom? I can't remember. Crap. It's coming from the pass around group. I don't know all their names on these guys. Obviously, I'll have it in the description. But this is what is it? BEDC. I think that's his YouTube name. He's actually, I think these are actually his knives. He's the one that passed them around, which is super dope, super nice. Yeah, I think it's Takcom. Tack. Crap, I can't remember. I think it's Takcom. Ain't no name anywhere. Well, there's TK. TK? No names. Another TK. So I'm going to go with Takcom. A little stubby right here. I think this is actually called the Stubby. I like that. That's kind of cool. I like that. That's cool. So, let's check these bad boys out. I think they're aluminum. I don't think they're titanium. Not quite sure. Obviously, I don't think they make titanium OTFs, do they? Actually, because none of my OTFs are titanium, now that I think. But I have two, and they're both aluminum. That thing's fire. Apparently, it's a Best Tech collaboration. I think it says 154 cm. Some kind of smooge on it, on the lettering. So this is 154 cm. This thing is, what, maybe an inch and a half long? 2 inches maybe max? It's kind of thick, though. Not bad. The handle's definitely kind of thick. This thing's dope, dude. It's so freaking small. Like, look. Like, seriously. Compared to the rest, like... it's freaking tiny. Here's mine. Here's one of mine. I forgot mine. It's right here. There you go. See, it's tiny. This is the Heretic Manticore Predator Edition. The coolest knife I own. Because I'm a big Predator nerd. Mostly because of this right here. I just have it out. I'm looking at it. This Stubby, though, I believe this is literally called the Stubby, and this thing's fire. It's 154 cm. Don't know the prices on these. I think they're above $100, I think. They're a little more expensive. Not quite sure how expensive. I know between the $100 and $200 mark, I'm assuming. I know that's a big number, big price range, but sorry. I don't know a whole lot about them. I do like that pocket clip on this one, though. It's not too bad. Definitely got room for your pocket and everything under there. Nice little ramp right there. Not bad. I don't know what this one's called either. No, there's no names on them either. So I can't give you any names. I'll have them down in the description. Look in the description. It's there. Heck on, that freaking pocket clip is tight. Oh, good lord, man. So it's tight. I'll give you that. It will go under the jeans. It looks like there is plenty of room right there, but that thing is freaking tight. Are these reversible at all? Nope, not reversible. Obviously, it's the pocket clip is the only thing you're looking at for reversible. This isn't also. Got a little G10 like inlay right there, maybe. Yeah. Kind of tight on that action. So the pocket clip I like better on this one. That one looks like this regular steel like pocket clip. The action on this thing ain't bad for small as it is too. Man, that is not too shabby. I like that, man. I like it. This one's a little bigger. I like this one. Does have the little glass cutter. I'm not big on the glass cutters. Got that little bead right there at the end too. If I can get it to show up. There you go. You kind of see it there a little better. So it does have that on there. This is probably obviously reversible. All you have to do is take that loose, put that pocket clip on this side, and there you go. Simple enough, right? Not bad though. A little tight also. Where's my... I always like to compare it to my live wire. That's my other one I have, and This is a little tight, but not bad. It's smooth though. It's not like you're fighting to push it. You know what I mean? This one is, but it has a solid. Once it hits that mark, like it's really hard, but it goes, and I feel it feels good that way. Like when it goes. This one, the live wire from Kershaw, is a little spongy, but I like it though too because I don't have to put like over amount of pressure on it. So this does not feel too bad. I like the length of it too. 154 cm. This one was also 154 cm. I do like the pot clip a little better on this just because it is reversible. Also, that kind of makes me feel better. Not bad. I like that too. Not too shabby. I guess these are Warncliffe. Warncliffe. I don't know. That's got a dual grind on it. On this one. We'll go back through the blades and all that stuff. Talk a little more about them. Just kind of opening them up and letting you know. This one's D2, so this is might be a little cheaper. Got D2 steel. Got a carbon fiber inlay, it looks like, feels like. Nice little pocket clip. Oh, it's reversible too, so that's nice. This one's a little bit better. A little smaller on the front end. So obviously it might be a little bit of problems getting in your pockets. But not bad though. You can at least pull it up yourself with your hand. They all feel kind of the same for the action on them. I will say this one's a little bit harder than the D2 one right here. I will say that's a little harder. Let's see. Okay. This one's a little lighter. So this is at my order. Like this is the lightest, middle, average. This one's kind of hard. But when it thumps, it thumps. They're not bad. All of them are not bad. But I'm gonna have to go with my little stubby guy right here. It works. I like this, man. It works. If you want a small OTF, like they have the micro OSB, a USB one. I think who makes that? Boker. I think Boker makes that, and it's pretty reasonably priced too, pretty cheap. But with this, you have 154 cm, which is kind of cool. So blade styles, I do like this. It looks like a Warncliffe sheep's foot. I'd probably say these are Warncliffe. This is a sheep's foot. You got little holes right here. I think just for obviously aesthetics, just how it looks. Kind of cool, not bad. I really do like these Warncliffe ones though. I like the blade. They look pretty good. I'm not a big fan of red, so I don't know if they have different colors too. But okay, I know it's coming to me. These are Takcom. Again, I'll have it in the description, all the names of them. I really thought that these were going to come in like maybe a box or something like that. So no big deal, obviously. I can always get that information to you guys on my own. But not bad for first impressions. I like OTFs. I just wonder what the price range is on these bad boys. Because they're all aluminum. Are they all coming out the right side? Yep. Yep. Oh, this one's actually centered, isn't it? Close, man. Look at that. That is close. That's close. Like, usually all mine are on the right side right there. These are my two. Yeah, these are all on the... Well, this is the right side. This is the left side. But these are all on the right side. But this is close to being centered. Now, I think the one from Benchmade, theirs is centered. The shootout, I think is what it's called. It is actually centered, which is kind of cool. But these are off to the right side. All of them are. See if I can kind of show you a little better. There you go. Not bad though. I like the blade shapes. These are kind of the same for me most part, like for the blade, if you can kind of see it. Just this one's like black wash. This has got a little bit finer blade style. A little bit of satin going right there. Some blacked out. Probably not DLC. This some kind of black PVD coating. But I like the way that looks though too. When you can do it right like that, it looks good. And this one, like I said, is probably more affordable, D2. I don't know, maybe with the carbon fiber, maybe it comes out to the same price as this, probably close. I'm not quite sure. I do not like the glass breakers, never have. I guess, how about this? If they have a glass breaker, I like this. This is actually what that is. That is a small glass breaker on the Heretic Manticore. Something tiny, out of the way. Love it. I didn't even know what it was at first, and actually a subscriber actually asked me about it, and he actually reached out because he was so curious about it, and he reached out before I was even able to, and he's the one that told me that that's what that was. So that I like. That's a good touch right there. I like that. You want a glass breaker on it? That's fine. Make it small. You know what I mean? But oh well, no big deal. That's all I really got though. I'll get you guys more information on these. I'll do a final review. I'll probably do them all together, just get you all the information at once. But this thing is my fave. This little guy right here. Super dope. Like it. I might have to do its own video just because I like it so much. Well, that's all I got though. If you guys have questions, comments, just let me know. And if you like the video, just leave a thumbs up. If not, no big deal. We're still cool. We still cool. All right, have a great rest of your day, guys' day. Thanks.